Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to my website. So this is the Hobby Rocks website, and it's not quite finished, although I do have a couple of customers already, at least two. So this is it. The actual website address is hobbyrocks.co.uk, so the usual www stuff, but hobbyrocks.co.uk. If you were to try and find Crochet Rocks, it also links to this website because there's a part of this that may well have some of my videos. It doesn't, there's a couple on here already, but nothing actually points to them, so it's not showing all of it. But up the top there we have a little button that's gone missing. Let me just refresh this, because there should be a button up the top there. There we go. So it's now there and it says news and updates. So if I just, around me are products I need to upload, so just ignore the mess. So if I click on that, then it goes to my news and updates. So there's a bit, who are we? Latest products and coming soon. Well, who are we has some blurb in there from me, but at the moment these need filling out, so they are just Latin blurb, especially for the occasion. So if I go back, we go back to the main screen, and we've got these buttons here. Don't all work yet, and most of them do. So I'm toying with the idea. There's a thing called a crazy menu, or mad menu, and if you get a mad menu and you hover over yarn, then a big drop down comes across the screen, and sometimes they get in the way of the thing you actually want, and every time you move your cursor, boom, there they are. So at the moment I don't have one of those, and I don't know whether to. At the moment some of these do work. I've got some clearance yarn in my clearance, as you can see. I've got a range of budget yarns. There will be more. It should actually go to budget. That one we need to work on, but there are a range. It did work yesterday. Budget yarns. Isn't today. Kids craft, that will work. And there's a number of things for kids in there. Number of products. And hobbies and crafts probably doesn't work because it needs splitting up into two. One of which is cross stitch and the other is diamond painting. So that might come like a drop down. Not sure whether I'm doing that yet. Accessories. Lots of accessories. And at the moment they're all lumped together. As you can see, loads of hooks, loads of needles, loads of bits and bobs. I'm probably scrolling way too quick. You know, just about lots and lots of accessories. That's cool. That's an I-cord knitter. I was going to try that out. Haven't done that yet, but I might do. So this is just a drop in the ocean. There's loads on here of all the different accessories. I love those things, those yarn balls, measuring tapes. We've got lots of cool measuring tapes. There's one that's a key ring. So then we go to knitting pins, and that'll be lots and lots of different ones. Now my website designer's name is Chris, and he's been working on this so that now there's only 3. And you have to select options. They were listed as individual products, and when you open it up and you go on to that one, now you have a drop down where you can see all the sizes. So if you can imagine this particular 23 centimeter bamboo knitting needles, and there was one of all of those were a single product. So he's been tidying it up, doing the styling. Likewise with all of these, where it says there's a quick buy, he hasn't done it, but when it says select options, that means underneath there's all the other sizes. And some of this needs tidying up because you can't see that last bit, but he's doing that. So that's them. Crochet hooks, same thing, although I don't know why they're appearing under accessories. Probably I've got them 2 lots checked. But there's everything there you can think of in terms of crochet hooks, and most of these have got quick buys under them. that one he's done select option, but most of them, although there's several of them, he's done it that way. Yarn. Now, I'm not sure what happens when you click yarn. Nothing at the moment. We haven't filtered it. And home will just take you back here. So you can either use the back button or it take you back to the main page. So we've got, and then underneath we've got some more buttons. We've got crochet kits, mystery boxes, accessories, which I've got up here, so I might change it. Don't need both. Tea, which is a wide range of things, and then jigsaw puzzles. So if you click on the mystery boxes, you'll see there are a number of them, and I might not be finished yet. So we've got a mixed one, just a normal Hobby Rocks mystery box, a Poundland, an Aldi, and that's where they end at the moment. But I might do them mystery box Aaron, mystery box DK. We'll see. A lot of people have said that they like that idea, so we'll think about that. And then there's crochet kits, which there are quite a few. All of these, and then all of those. I've got Harry Potter over there to add. Not that I've got very many of them, but there's a fair few crochet kits. So at the moment, there's nothing here that points to the diamond painting or the cross stitch. So we need to work that out. And then we've got this. This is pretty cool. It is a carousel, and it moves along all on its own, all on its little lonesome. And I can choose what goes into this carousel. And but if you want to, you can advance it yourself. But yeah, I like the carousel. It's pretty cool. Then down the bottom, we've got lots and lots of buttons. Now I'm going to try and get them all in. I'm not sure I can. I'll probably, this will fall off the countertop. So, and then we've got brand buttons. So we can click on Stylecraft, King Cole, we can click on Wendy, James C. Brett, Peter Pan, Robin, Jenny Watson, Karen, Lily and Sugar, although I don't think there's much. Lily, Sugar and Cream. Don't think there's much there. Serdar, not much there yet. Signet Retwist, which is the recycled yarn. Clover, Knit Pro. Now, the only way at the moment you can get to diamond painting and cross stitch is through this button, Ryolis, which is the brand. We've got Peyton's, Sheepies, Millwood, Furls, Tulip, Hayfield and Chowgoo. So if I click on this one, it will take you and show you all of the different cross stitches and diamond paintings that there are. And I love that snow leopard. I absolutely do. Okay, so that is more or less where you're at with the website at the moment. Now, right now, I've had a couple of sales, which took me completely by surprise. They did. However, the first one, I didn't have any postage in, but now we do have one for a UK, but we don't have much in the way of different options at the moment. So that's where we're limited at this precise moment to the UK. But that will change very, very soon, because as we're not ready in terms of it's not finished, but it probably never will be completely finished. There'll always be maintenance on it. So things will get tidied up as we go along. But at the moment, I've got a fair few suppliers. If I click on here, it will take you all the Stylecraft. And there will be more to come. Lots and lots of Stylecraft on here, because you know I'm a big fan of the Stylecraft. There's quite a few Stylecrafts on here, as you can see. Lordy, let's get out of Stylecraft. Not so much in the way of Karen yet, and I will be getting some Red Heart, but we've got a few bits and pieces of Karen, Cakes and Simply Soft, the Signet. Their yarns have really come up lately, so much better than they used to be. But we've got all the Boho Spirit, which is absolutely gorgeous. I've got some more to add as well, and the Kaleidoscopes. Lots of stuff from them. What else can I show you? King Cole, there's rather a lot of King Cole. It's not set out in its so at the moment this is all Comfort Aaron pretty soon it'll be a button that says Comfort Aaron, and all the sizes will be beneath it. And the same is likewise of the Acorn Aaron. At the moment they are all showing individually as a page on the website, but they will become incorporated. Need to take this one off, it's been discontinued. It didn't arrive, so that was quite sad. But yeah, there's lots and lots of King Cole on this site. I mean, look, we just keep going. And a few patterns. That's my latest acquisition, is some patterns. And I have patterns which are not displayed yet, but I've asked for one of these buttons up the top to say patterns. And then once you click on patterns, you'll get the choice of knitting or crochet, because I have both at the moment, but nothing points to them. A few things to iron out and to work out. So yeah, so if you click on tea, this will grow today because I've got some more teas to put on. There's the biscuit tea and the jam and toast tea. I've got some more of this to add. And there is the caramel tea, plus I have a new one to add as well. So there'll be a few teas. And the reason I've got those, and I might put some biscuits, cookies on there, we'll see, is because people who have been buying that have been paying an awful lot more for it than it's showing on there. And if you're going to be buying yarn and paying the postage for that, you might as well pop that in the basket and it would be going your way for free. So that's a lot better than people across the pond paying a fortune for shipping when they're buying yarn anyway. Might as well just pop it in. So at the bottom you've got the contact form and the usual about us, which I don't think it points to anything at the moment. Your own account should you make one. And here we go. So yeah, these some of these are very thin on the ground. There's not a lot in it, but they will, like this one, they will expand into much larger ranges over time. But some of them have big kind of sections already, like the James C. Brett, which has the Reed Twist and Jenny Watson part as well in there, and lots of, but King Cole I guess is the biggest section at the moment. Sorry if I'm scrolling too quick. It's easy for me just to keep flying about and I'm forgetting that it's annoying for people who are watching. So that's kind of the website. There will be some more brand buttons appearing as the brands appear, and he's also got to, Chris has got to work on this, because as you can see these buttons are going up and down, and that's because this title has only got 2 lines, whereas this title has 3. So he's going to maybe give all of them 3, but for some of them there'll be a blank space, or I can take variegated out because it's not there, but they're all variegated. So perhaps it's just little tweaks to get it looking right. And so that's it, guys. That is Hobby Rocks, and it will be it is up and running. I've actually got 2 sales, or I haven't checked today if there's any more, but so yeah, if you're in the UK it is up and running and you can kind of order, but it's still under a little bit of construction really. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. I hope you like the colours. I chose them. My favourite colour, as everybody knows, is kind of blue, but running a very close second is magenta, so I chose that kind of dark magenta. And when I click on my news and updates to complement my magenta and pinks, I've chosen purple. So that page, which is taking forever to load, will come up with a purple background, purple right in there, and these just need a little bit of styling. So that's it, guys. There will be more on this post here, but I haven't written anything yet apart from who are we. So as I said, thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.